Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Fikadian Saputri. I'm from English education, and then here I will be explain about sampling technique in qualitative research. So in this sampling technique there are several explanations. And then the first one is definition of sampling technique. Sampling technique is a technique used to determine the sample. And then so a good study must pay attention and use a technique in determining the sample to be taken as a research subject. Then in the sampling technique, many steps in the sampling technique. So according by Dallon in 1981, several steps that to researchers must consider in determining the sample. Namely, in the first one is determine the populations, and then second one is finding accurate population unit data, and then is choosing a representative sample, and then the last one is determine an adequate number of sample. Okay, in next is types of sampling technique to determine the sample in research. There are various sampling techniques that are used. Sampling technique based on randomization, taking subjects randomly from the group, and can be grouped into two, namely non-probability sampling and probability sampling. Okay, here I will be explain about non-probability sampling. Non-probability sampling is technique that does not provide equal opportunity for each element. Each element or members of the population to be selected as a sample. This type of technique, among other, the first one is systematic sampling, the second one is quota sampling, and the third one is accidental sampling, and then purposive sampling, then saturation sampling, and the last one is snowball sampling. Okay, probability sampling is a sampling technique that provides equal opportunities for each element of the population to be chosen as a sample members. This type of technique, as the first one is simple random sampling, and then proportionate stratified random sampling, and then disproportionate stratified random sampling, and the last one is cluster sampling. Okay, I think that is enough for an explanation of the sampling technique research. That is all, and thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.